My phone's like this. My phone's like this, and I can't get it out of the corner.
Huh?
My phone's on its side, and I can't get the mouse to go down.
Here, give it here.
No, wait, no.
Reverse it. Turn the controller on its side.
That's what I'm doing, but I'm really not used to this. I'm sorry.
Do you want me to do it for you? Big baby.
Oh, shut up.
Big bitch baby.
I want to get into the game using the controller.
Wow, I'm a big crying bitch baby who can't do shit.
Shut up.
This
fine.
is actually a
Screw
map
it.
that
Screw it.
my brother and I have been playing on for quite some time.
Oh,
We have been doing this
hey,
for
it's this map. Yes.
I don't know how long. Probably like a month or two
Ago.
working on this map, but it's not the best. It's just a map to basically mess around in. And I believe we actually have mobs on.
Yeah, I think we
correctly.
do.
Yes, we have it on easy.
Friends. Force link. Wait,
we
no,
have
don't press
coordinates up.
cancel.
Goody.
I don't mean to do that. Oh, I think I froze the game. Oh, never mind.
Okay, you're in.
No, I'm not. I pressed cancel.
Nice.
Shut up. I'm trying to get used to this thing. This is so hard.
Have you never played with like an Xbox controller on Minecraft?
On the computer, yeah.
You did on the computer?
Well, no, but I played Borderlands with an Xbox controller. Crafting's-
Borderlands and Minecraft are not the same thing.
I know, but still. RT to mine, crafting X, Y inventory.
Yes, those are the tooltips.
This is...
Keep in
this
mind,
is my inventory.
Right, Dane,
What?
right trigger is actually on the back for that controller.
Are we in creative?
No,
We're not. B is to
should be in survival.
exit. I'm pressing. Ah. Oh, there we go.
I just gotta say, it's so good to be back. I have been working on my second channel, Gab Geeks, for a while now, actually. And I just recently got a microphone for that channel.
This is so
Unfortunately, I do not have the ability to get a better microphone for this channel. But to be honest, I don't really mind using the small microphone that I have. But
this is so
honestly, I'm just
bad.
happy to be back.
This is like trying to ride a bike. Oh. I'm never getting used to this.
Oh, don't worry.
I've played with touchscreen for so long.
So did I, and I managed to get used to it.
How? How do you survive this?
Because I find it easier to use a controller than it is to use a touchscreen.
Ooh, diamonds.
Get out of my chest. I know you're in my chest because I'm the only one that has diamonds. And I know you're not in the mine. I know you're not in there because I'm in here.
I know. Wait, what? You're in the line?
I'm in the mine.
Oh, nice.
You
So
know,
anything
I'm
I might
strip mining.
need for your chest, I'm not sure. I have to go check my chests.
I am strip mining right now.
Okay. Oh.
You know what sucks about actually having a closet as our recording room?
What?
People can make jokes and funny quips about us coming out of the closet.
Yeah.
Like we're gay. It's like,
They're coming out of the
fine.
closet, mommy.
That's funny. It's like so funny
Nature.
that you can't even be angry about it.
What? There's nature craftable. What?
What?
If you click on the little workbench thing in, like, on your crafting table, it goes to.
What are you talking about?
I'm trying. That little thing up there. That little thing? The little craft bench up top.
Yeah.
I'm-
Wait, which one? The one.
The one that's beside nature. Before that allowed you to show items you might want to craft. Now it just switches through everything. Ugh. So weird.
I have no clue what you're talking about. Oh! I see what you're talking about. Yeah. The craft bench only shows what all you have available to make. Whereas if you switch that off, it then tells you every recipe in the game.
That's cool. Ow! Is that from going into your chest?
No, I just did that because of fun. But that did remind me. Yes, that is for my going into my chest. Oh, hey, I have 32 iron. I have freaking.
It smells like turkey and biscuits with gravy.
Really, I smell popcorn.
Huh.
I think. Somebody. I swear, if you. Okay.
No, I didn't fart.
No, I'm.
Oh.
I'm gonna grab. I will grab my.
I'm trying to think of what I want to do.
Oh, don't break. Oh, thank you.
That's what I need to do.
What?
Finish the map.
Oh yeah, we still have a map. We have a map in this. We started going around actually trying to map out our area. Unfortunately, we haven't finished it because it's such big.
Ugh.
Such big. It is quite big.
Oh, hey, there's a sheep outside. Oh,
Shoot
wait.
it.
No, it's a baby. So, yeah.
I'm going to turn these iron ingots into blocks.
Yay. I need to go this way. And hopefully not die.
I need.
This is the weirdest
Oh, my.
experience. Ugh.
I like playing with the controller, to be honest. It actually makes everything a lot nicer and smoother, and it just helps out a lot.
I just want to press a.
Especially in shooter games, that's where it gets nice.
I just want to press a button to jump, but I have it on auto jump.
You can turn that off.
No, I'm good at the moment.
I need to make more chests.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's right. We still have to finish making the bedroom. We got a bedroom up there, but we never really finished it. We just placed beds down. Brrr.
Oh, hey, my sound's off.
Okay. Yes.
Problem is, where do I put these chests? I got it.
What?
Why not mine down and create a Why am I doing this without ladders?
I don't know.
God, why is my game lag? Why is my game lagging?
Ah!
Alright, what I need is some ladders. Ladders. I only have one ladder, really.
Oh, time to go mining for trees then.
Six.
Ow! Go! Ugh. Oh, hey, currency. Wait, are we still using,
I have no reason for sugarcane as currency.
so we're still going for old-fashioned trading?
Yeah, might as well.
So what are we gonna use to trade? Just ores or anything?
Hmm?
Are we gonna trade with ores or anything?
We might as well trade with ores.
Okay.
Or something.
Ow! Stop it! I'm just trying to load the world. I'm trying to rebuild the world.
That's good enough. Alright, let's build down quite a bit.
There we go.
This is gonna require a lot of space if I'm making a chest room.
It's so scary. I'm gonna go this way. Right.
Why is my game lagging?
I don't know.
It's like lagging a lot. It could be because I'm playing with a Bluetooth device. I have Bluetooth headphones. I am recording at the same time. And somebody else is playing with me.
Hey.
Hey!
Hey!
Adrian. Oh shit.
Hey,
I'm going
stupid.
the wrong way. Damn it.
Aha. What'd you do? What'd you do,
I started going
Krogmar?
the wrong way. But yes, I gotta say, having this recording room is actually quite comforting
Yeah.
because it's small, it's cozy.
Yeah, at first I thought I was gonna get yelled at. Cause, well, for some reason we're not really allowed to explore the house. Which, in my case, is very stupid, but,
What do you mean?
like, if I was in here and I told no one, yet they knew where I were, they would have yelled at me. Like, if I were in the attic, they would have yelled at me.
Whatever, I'm not gonna...
Yeah, I get yelled at for dumb stuff.
Alright, then I can put these ladders away.
Ow! Ow!
Alright, if you have anything stupid you want to store, I'm building a chest room.
Wait, can you check and see if keep inventory is on?
Let me check. It should be on. Because keep inventory and mob briefing are the two cheats that I always turn off.
Okay. Keep inventory, when you turn it off, it just sounds weird. Like, keep inventory.
It starts as off. You don't really turn it off. If you go to turn it on, why would you turn it off? Because if you turn off a cheat, it doesn't, open your world up for achievements. As soon as you go into creative mode or turn cheats on, you can never get achievements for that world.
Crap. I know.
You realize that, right?
Yeah,
So
I'm
you
just
have
getting...
to cancel creating that world.
I'm just getting confused with, the way we're using prohibited for a school thing. Saying prohibited is saying yes, that child actors should not act, and then being a con is school assignment word gen, as you may know it.
Okay.
It's a little packet that has to deal with our core classes in a way. And it's just outright confusing. And I hate it.
Well, you're outright confusing to me.
Hey, thank you.
Hey,
I try to be as best as I can to be.
Hey, thank you. I'm here all lifetime.
Oh, you are my brother. Yay.
I have a 3 block high ceiling, which means we can have 2 chests.
Ew, this is so weird.
2 block high chest.
Quick move. What? A.
Damn it!
Put it into here. I can hear you, Enderman. Wait, how do you do this? Boop.
Oops.
This is so confusing. Ugh.
Okay, so I know where this is now.
Hey, oh, okay, yeah, I do have an iron pickaxe.
Okay, so I know where this chest room is.
Wait.
Unfortunately, that means that I can't go too high.
Good morning, USA. I've got a feeling that it's going to be a wonderful day.
Starting chests here and here.
Will that get me copyrighted?
Not if you sing it. It shouldn't.
Okay.
Just don't test your luck.
Well, I just did. No, that'll be
Don't
my
do it again.
That'll be my second copyright strike.
If you don't do anything for a while, you don't get copyright.
Oh, thank God.
I actually got copyrighted like a couple times mistakenly because I wasn't aware that I was playing I think it was like Geometry Dash Rage once or something like that.
Yeah.
And unintentionally I didn't like credit the songs or anything,
Yeah.
I guess. And because I was a smaller channel, I guess they took it a bit more seriously. But what had happened was I was just playing, and then a couple days later I got an email saying I got a copyright strike. I wasn't really sure what to do, so I read it, and it said like take the video down or something, or just not do anything about it. I believe I got that copyright strike taken away, but it did happen to me.
Wait, how'd you get it taken away?
Because I just didn't do anything that involved music after that. And if I did do anything that involved music, I made sure, well sure, that it didn't have copyrighted music.
Where are you?
In other words, like, when I put music in my videos, I made sure that it didn't have, or that it wasn't, say, System of a Down, or
Where are you
anything.
exactly?
In my room. I'm in the closet.
I'm downstairs in the giant basement you just dug out, looking for you so I can mine with you.
I'm working on my chest room at the moment.
And you come back up.
Everything down.
I see your name.
Yeah, I'm moving everything into a chest room just so I can, you know, do whatever.
We should make...
I think I'm also going to have to move down a furnace and crafting table, because most of my stuff will actually be taking place in there.
Okay. Hey, do you have any seeds?
Depending on what seeds, probably.
Just give them to me.
I will have to go down to the chest room because I just moved some seeds in there.
Quick move. What does quick move do?
What?
What does quick move do?
Quick move?
Yeah.
Are you serious? You don't know what quick move means?
I just tried it on seeds and it didn't work.
Do you have a full inventory?
No. It just wouldn't allow me. Also, if you have any dirt, give it to me.
I'm getting no seeds out, rather rich.
Great.
Yeah, that's in there.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna take the dirt, thank you.
Damn it.
Why? There we go, now it works. And I'll take your lily pads.
Don't take anything out of my chest.
I'm just taking dirt.
No, don't take my lily pads.
Okay, fine.
I went far to get those.
Okay, fine. I won't grab it.
No, I'm taking this. Oh yes.
What are you
There's
doing?
some melon seeds, and here are some pumpkin seeds.
Okay. Wait, I think I also have more pumpkin seeds.
These chests down.
No, I got wheat. What about bottom chest?
Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to
I got
another
nothing.
chest there.
Okay.
I tend to. Oh boy.
Alright, George. Oh wait, no, I need a bucket of water too. Didn't I give you
I have
that?
a bucket in my inventory. Not a bucket of water, just an empty bucket.
Well, I need that. Actually, no, never mind. I got my own.
Okay, then it's going in my chest. Room.
Yeah, take it.
Keep it, you mean?
Yeah, keep it. Nope, back. There we go. LT.
It's almost like, what do I move into the chest room? What do I not?
Just move everything.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm doing actually for the time.
Oh, hey, alpaca. Wait, llama. Llama!
For the moment, I am actually moving everything in there.
Ah, crap, he spotted me. No!
What did?
There's a skeleton.
Oh. What time is it?
What time is it? 10:07. Hey, finally!
You're funny.
No, finally, my
I'm in the game.
No, my notifications finally work. Yay! Finally!
No, I meant what time is it in the game?
Oh,
Is it daytime, nighttime?
daytime.
Okay. Daytime?
Nighttime! Where did that come from?
I'm not too sure, actually.
RT. Wait, what?
Back. The back of the controller has two buttons,
Oh.
which is RT and LT.
No, I point the bucket at the water and it says LT. I mean, RT. I hit it, nothing happens. I go close. I have to be inside the water.
No, you don't.
That's what it made me do.
Well,
Just
RT shouldn't be.
It's mine. RT is mine, LT is collect.
Yeah.
And use.
Wait, RT is mine?
Yeah.
Then it shouldn't be RT to. You mean LT? The thing when you let you use LT?
Yeah, until I walked into the water. That's what I just said, isn't it? Right?
What?
That's what I just said, isn't it?
No, you actually said RT.
Oh, I said RT before I said LT. I said, it said RT to mine,
Table.
and it didn't work until I...
Take this block
Yeah.
out. Actually. I'm gonna need some.
George, should we also have an up and running tree farm?
What was that?
Should we also have an up and running tree farm down here?
In the basement, no, actually.
Okay.
You shouldn't have one in the basement.
Actually, I should ask you before I do it. Where are you, and where should I put the farm for seeds and stuff?
I can actually take care of the farm if you want me to.
No, that's why I just collected all this stuff. I want to be the farmer.
Well, I can still make the farm.
Farm! Lovely dirt!
Are you okay?
No!
Thank you for telling the truth.
I smoked way too much dirt this morning.
Oh, who was it? Which YouTuber was in love with dirt? Was that Markiplier? That constantly... No. That was, Craner. Mr. Craner and Sunday. Sunday was in love with cobblestone and Craner was in love with dirt.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of both, of cobblestone and dirt.
Honestly, the two,
Yeah.
depending on what game it is, if
Yeah.
it's Sky Factory, yes, dirt is life.
But
Actually,
just regular
sorry about
mine.
that. No, you're right. Cobble is right. Life in Sky Factory.
Yeah.
In
Oh, A's jumping. Huh.
in just normal anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Either one can go, die.
Point me to where you want me to have the farm.
Alright, give me a minute.
Oh wait, you're already down there. Oh no, no.
No,
What?
I'm in my...
Storage room.
Yeah. I'm making some chests to go up here, because I tend to... When I go mining, I tend to come into my room and just, place stuff in any chest I find.
What would be really helpful if we had shulker boxes? No, shulker boxes. Is that how you say it?
One of us would have to go to the end, then.
I'm
both
not
of
ready.
us, honestly.
What?
Both of us could go to the end. I just don't feel...
Like taking all that time.
Yeah, pretty much. Since this area right here is already dug out, I think
Wait,
this could
let me
be
get
a
down
good-
there.
Good start.
Let me get down there and
Oh
then.
wait, shoot, that has bedrock in it. We're gonna have to find an area. Find an area that is not on bedrock level, which would probably be about here.
Are you sure?
Here would be a good start. Just
Okay.
start strip mining. I'll come back. You know what strip mining is, right?
No.
Just start mining. I'll come back.
Oh, that's so awkward. Ugh.
You can actually set the controls to be LB and RB.
Hey, I found coal. It's mine. Back off.
Careful, I might keep inventory off and then kill you, and then turn it right back on.
No!
I actually did that once.
I
Remember
hate
that?
you, though. Wait, when did that happen? I can't remember when that happened. I know you did that. Wait, wasn't it like when you died? Or
You had taken something from me.
I
And then I
think I took like a diamond?
I think. So I then keep inventory off, killed you, turned it right back on. You tried to kill me, and it was like, won't work.
Now you got me thinking of, you can run but you can't hide, from...
Rick and Morty?
Yeah.
You can run, but you can't hide, bitch.
You can run but you can't hide. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm going through puberty. Yeah. Puberty.
I think it's nighttime.
I can tell.
I can't.
Where
I
are
was
you?
walking down the steps, and
Hey,
I was walking down the steps, and it was like, I was walking down the steps, and it was super dark.
Can you use levers to turn on a redstone block?
Why do you need them?
Cause I just don't want any light in here except for that for some reason. Don't ask me. Hey, don't steal my stuff.
It's not yours.
Nah. Oh. I thought you were stealing blocks, but no. Wait, how do you make a lantern?
A what?
A lantern, that block, that weird block.
Glowstone?
No, not that.
Oh, redstone lantern.
Yeah, that. And so
you do need glowstone for that.
well, so far this is all I'm going to go back as.
Unfortunately for crops, though, you actually do need torches. And I do have a door.
Oh,
I have 3 doors in my chests. So, we should be good on doors.
Just gotta mine some more. Oh, wait, no. Wrong thing. Crap.
Actually, hold on. Before you do anything.
What?
1,
I'm
2,
just mining the dirt. Well, I'm mining where the
1,
dirt's
2,
going to go.
3, 4, 5. Okay, we're good.
What? Do you know there?
No.
Do you know?
No.
What? What?
No.
George, I got 16 dirt.
No. That's not how you do this. Watch. This is how you make a farm.
Okay, fine.
You make 5x5 farms.
Okay.
It maximizes the use of water and it maximizes your crops. What you do right here is 5, and then mine 2 out this way, and this is your other 5.
Okay.
This is how you make farms, and really efficient farms. And you leave a walkway on the 6th,
Okay.
and it is really handy and helpful.
So where should I place the dirt? Because remember, we also
Give
have
me a minute.
we also have seeds that take up 2 dirt.
Well, in farming, you don't want to do that yet.
Okay.
Just
Why didn't you get rid of the gravel here?
I just haven't yet.
I'll get rid of it.
This is 3, 4, and 5. Now this should be 5x5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we just need to line up one this way. I really should make a shovel.
Nah, I'm good. I never play with a shovel unless it's to make a boat.
No, I said I should make a shovel.
Oh. Yeah, there you go. There you go, guys. I never play with a shovel unless it's a boat. And puberty. Yay!
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go to jail in
6
the
right
game of
here.
life. Do you get the reference, George?
Robot chicken.
Yep.
I am mine.
What?
I was mining and I came across it.
Should I place dirt?
Yes. Just, actually, yeah, just fill up all the dirt, or all the spaces with dirt. I will help later.
Okay, well, just remember that there's only 16 pieces, so we're gonna have to go and get a lot more dirt.
Well, to be honest, in a 5x5 farm, you only need 24, even though there's 25 spots.
Oh yeah, that's right. Leave 1 block in the middle. No! What have you done?
What have I done?
Actually, no, that was my fault. I placed it too close to me and it disappeared, so I never got that block. We're now only at 15 blocks. Because I placed it too close to me and it disappeared. Ew. I'm gonna go and get more dirt.
Where the gravel is, Dane?
What?
The gravel?
Okay, what's so special about it?
That is where the water will go.
Oh, right. Duh.
I am out of torches. Surprising.
Huh. We
By
need...
the way, I fixed your staircase. There was just a random granite block.
We need to have like a dirt mine and like a stone mine.
We do have a dirt or a stone mine.
Oh, yeah, but we also need like dirt mine and other mines.
Not really. No, that's fine.
Because I just feel bad taking away from the environment. Well, taking dirt off the environment. Because then it doesn't look as good as before.
Well, there is no such thing as a dirt mine.
Yeah, you just place a giant hole in the ground full of dirt. Then you use that.
I have 44 pieces.
Okay, give it to me. Give it. Dirt!
I do need sticks and a diamond to make a shovel.
I've had way too many meds today. Dirt!
Oh, that's right.
Yes.
I need some doors.
What?
I have a video that I just found for you.
Oh God.
Looks like my sister has came into the room to tell us about something.
Come on, to be funny.
Dirt!
It's the night court.
Oh
It's the
God.
night court, do you know Dory song?
Do you know door?
Please open the door. Once it gets to the
We're recording right now.
We're recording. Yeah.
I would rather not.
Copyright issues.
Possible.
Yeah. Well, we can't just pause, you know.
I would rather not. And where is my sticks? There they are.
Wait, you're still not down here with the dirt?
Not yet.
When do you guys know when you'll be done recording?
In the next 12 hours.
There we go. I've got a shovel. And I
Shovel!
forgot to make torches.